Last month in Detroit, Ford introduced the new 2009 F-150 pickup. Among the truck's many changes was the addition of a new trim package called Platinum. The Platinum F-150 featured the most upscale interior of any Ford truck to date, with fine leather surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and a sophisticated infotainment system that combines Sirius satellite radio, navigation, and Ford's new hands-free phone and entertainment system called Sync. With all the luxury and upscale conveniences, you wouldn't be wrong if you wondered if Ford had forgotten about the working guy. They haven't. Ford is introducing a new suite of work products aimed at commercial truck owners, not high rollers. The collection is called Ford Work Solutions, and some of the offerings are going to be game changers. The first product is an in-dash touchscreen computer that's running Microsoft's Windows Auto operating system. It turns the pickup into a mobile office. The commercial in-dash computer is a parallel version of the Sirius satellite infotainment unit found in the Platinum Edition F-150. They aren't the same hardware or software. This is all about getting a job done. The computer uses Sprint's broadband wireless network to access the internet and connects the truck with an office network or a home PC. It includes a wireless keyboard as the interface to the in-dash computer. Once connected, users can remotely access documents like Microsoft Office files, QuickBooks data, and blueprints. You can even print them off in the cab of the truck using a Ford-certified inkjet printer. Bluetooth connectivity is standard for hands-free calling or text messaging with the wireless keyboard. The in-dash computer also offers bird's-eye style navigation assistance by GPS equipment maker Garmin. The features include real-time traffic stats, rerouting around accidents, and points of interest lookup like hotels and restaurants, along with real-time fuel prices and Ford dealer locations. Kudos to Ford for delivering on the mobile office environment concept that was first promised in 1999 by GM and the Lear Corporation in the GM CCR Professional Technology Demonstrator. It's good to see that the future has finally arrived. Radio frequency identification wasn't even on the radar screen back in 1999, but Ford has teamed up with DeWalt Tools to create ToolLink, a tool tracking system that uses RFID to wirelessly scan the cargo box for its contents. This potentially means no more lost tools at the job site or left behind in the garage. Users getting ready for work can access a menu of job types in the in-dash computer. Each job type contains a list of tools needed for the job. Press a job, and two RFID readers, mounted on the cargo box rails, scan the contents of the truck's bed, alerting you if there are any tools missing from the list for that particular job. When it arrives this fall, ToolLink will only send its data to the in-dash computer. But later on, Ford plans to let users access the same information online at Ford's Work Solutions website, so you'll be able to check the contents of your bed real-time from anywhere. The third product in the Ford Work Solutions suite is called Crew Chief. It's a telematics application that's similar to the driver monitoring and routing applications that are used by big rig trucking companies. Crew Chief uses the in-dash computer's GPS and wireless broadband systems to automatically relay the location of a truck to a designated fleet manager. The information can be accessed either through a standalone PC application connected to the internet, or it can be routed directly to the in-dash display of the boss's truck. Ford says one of the biggest advantages of Crew Chief is to locate and direct the closest fleet vehicle to a service call to improve customer service.
Call Rick. Hey Rick, change of plans. Need you to go to the Franklin site as soon as possible.
Of course, with Crew Chief's monitoring capabilities, there'll be no more sneaking off for an afternoon siesta or getting stuck in traffic on the way to a job. Your boss is going to know where you are and where the truck is at all times by using the system. Grumble all you want about this technology and its privacy implications, but it's here to stay because it's ultimately going to save the company time and money. The last item Ford is introducing for its F-Series pickups is pretty primitive compared to the other items that we've just seen, but it doesn't mean that it won't be as effective or help save money just like the other items. Ford has partnered with lock maker Master Lock to deliver a strong, flexible, and retractable cable lock that can be threaded around tools in the cargo box for security when there's no lockable toolbox or tonneau cover in the bed. When it's not in use, the cable self-stores in a box mounted on the side of the bed, and it can be retrofitted on almost any Ford pickup, not just the 2009 models. Ford hasn't announced pricing yet for any of these products, but if it saves time getting a job done or money by not losing tools, Ford Work Solutions will have greatly expanded the envelope of what it means to deliver capability in a pickup truck.